have not filled it, but they should try to be a part of this class, because this is a very nice thing to be in a class of 1 month in which you are engaged in English speaking at least for an hour. So if this is a very beneficial, that if we speak 1 hour daily in English in an active atmosphere where everybody is try to understanding, everybody is try to speaking, and everybody is try to learn how to speak, then this is a good thing. Because after and before that class, we should feel a thing in us that we are encouraged to speak English. We have a good idea how to speak good English, and we are more confident in English speaking after 1 month. So everybody should join this class, and this is a very nice idea, sir. This is a very nice idea that you have started, and I think this will go a long way. And today, I think in the class there are 3 or 4 participants joining. I think they should not join in the class that they have done a payment of registration, but they should join the class, because this is a not a work for teaching only. This is a social work, and this is a कहना चाहिए कि this is a very nice thinking also, that you are doing such kind of work, because it is a need of people nowadays. Everybody who is not able to speak fluently, they should join this class, so that the uh, actually everybody can speak, but he hesitate to speak. But if in a class he continuously speak 1 hour till 1 month, then I think it's sufficient. And after this class also, we have to maintain our English speaking continuously. Today, I have decided that in my home, from 6 to 10 p.m., everybody should speak in English only, so that
Great.
there should be atmosphere after that this class also.
Thank you so
And the
much, Mr. Raji.
children are able to learn in the books, because they are learning in a English speaking school. But in school they got the atmosphere, but after school they come into grammar come translation method, but in school they are reading with direct method. So if the conversation ability is enhanced, so they can read the books in the way they are written. But nowadays they are feeling like a translation of all the books, and by translating they cannot read so fluently their books. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raji. And what is your native place, sir? Where are you from?
Sir, I am from Badaयूं in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Your profession?
I am lecturer in diet.
Okay.
I got
Great.
selection from UPPSC in 2017,
Right.
and after that I joined
Thank you
this
so
job.
much, Mr. Raji. Thank you very much. Prakash, what is
Okay.
your impression or your impressions?
Yes, sir. Uh, we learn grammar and vocabulary by reading books, sir, but we have to speak, sir. In these classes, so we can have an atmosphere of speaking to others, sir. We have to have a person to listen to our words and a person who corrects our sentences. I think this platform is very helpful. People thinking like me, sir. We should speak ourselves to others, and others should understand what we are speaking, and there must be a person who corrects our conversation. That's why it's very necessary to join these in these activities, sir, to improve our English.
Thank you very much. I wish you would get lot and lots of materials as well as knowledge in the next 25 Act 2 spoken English classes. Good night. Stay safe.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, I want to say something more, that I write my works on a page every day, and I feel that when I write a thing on a page, then it comes to me in a मतलब ये एक सामने आ जाता है मेरे, that it comes in front of me. One day I write on paper that I have to join an English speaking class from anywhere. then this advertisement of yours I got, and then I feel that I have written it on my paper, and it comes to me like your English speaking class. Thank you, sir.
So great. So this is called making a wish. So you made a wish and you got
Yeah.
it realized. So it came all the way from your heart. You just felt you should learn, and God has given you the gift. So nothing is there in this world. Instead of thinking something much about what we cannot do, we should always think about what we can do. There is no point of crying over spilled milk. All we can do is being helpful. So that is something that would be the best legacy for people. That's what I believe in. So during these pandemic days, many people are not able to come out. Many institutions have been shut down. Let me be helpful to the guys who really want, because they need some growth. We can't buy anything we always with money. Yes, money cannot bring everything. If this time is properly utilized, the student community, the housewives who have plans to become some employees, and who can be the backbone in their families, they can turn out to be the empowered women. And people who have got some fundamentals in English language but might still need some scaffolding. These were the few priorities in my mind that drove me to take this decision. So thank you so much for your good impressions. I believe those who really want to get some knowledge and language and enhance the skills, they might join us and meet us. With this being said, I'd like to take leave of you. Have a great weekend and good night. Stay safe.
Good night. Thank you.